Okay, we're going to have a little bit of fun this morning because what I've got is all viscose, 100% viscose, and they're all $9.99. That's probably the most important thing. So this is a great opportunity for those of you who have said, oh gosh, I want to order, I'm just a little bit afraid. These are great quality fabrics, 100% viscose, Italian viscose. They're $9.99. So this is a great time to kind of say, gee, let's try to match. They're all 3 ounce so that you start to understand the weight of it all. And they all have stretch in both directions with the exception of this one. So let's start. You can see there's a little black, gray, cream. Again, great drape, great piece of fabric. Look at this one. It should be fun to just cut up, put all different directions, wear it with a pair of jeans. Again, great drape, great fabric. This one I love. It has two-way stretching. It could easily be a pair of leggings. It has, like, if you look closely, like a denim, a twill print to it, even though it's not. It has stretch in both directions. Just a really cool fabric. This one, you've got diagonals that are just lovely. I love this print. I haven't seen it before in different colors. This is new colors, but I love the print. And these are the same colors. And I hopefully somebody will do something wonderful out there with it. This one is stretch in one direction. No, it is stretch in both. They're all stretch in both directions. But this one you can see is really a lot of fun. You could really do some fun, cool stuff with this. So this would be a fun challenge, and I love this because, as you can see, there's only one floral per section, so you could easily place that front, back. It has stretch in both directions. If you did a pair of leggings, you could place this at the bottom, just have a floral path at the bottom. Just so many fun things with these, you guys. Just enjoy. $9.99 my gift for the weekend, today and tomorrow. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.